Welcome back to day 2 of our 30-day Python series. In today's session, we will guide you through the installation and setup of Anaconda. So this is one of the most popular platform for Python development, especially in data analysis, data scientist, and machine learning. Let's get started. So before we install Anaconda, let's quickly understand what it is. So Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of Python and R. So it simplifies package management and deployment, making it ideal for data science, machine learning, and large scale computing. The key features of Anaconda comes with pre-installed libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Scikit-learn. Okay, it includes Jupyter Notebook, Spider, and other IDEs. It simplifies virtual environment management as well. So let's get started. So now let's download Anaconda from the Google Chrome. Okay, new tab. So here search for a Anaconda download. Enter, scroll down, and you can skip this registration file. Click on this download here. Okay, so now the file is getting downloaded. So this might take some time to install. Okay, the installation is complete here. Now let's click on the next. Okay, click on next again. After that, click on finish. Okay. Now let's open our Anaconda. Okay, so let's wait for a few minutes because it's getting initialized. So we have to wait here. Yes, it's successfully installed. What you can do here is you can just click on close this. Okay, click on this X mark. Okay, continue, connect to your repository if you want to continue, or else you can go ahead like that only. So here you have a different IDEs. So I want a Jupyter notebook here. Okay, so let's scroll down. So here we have a Jupyter notebook. Click on this launch button. Okay, your Jupyter notebook will be launched. You need to wait for a few minutes. Okay, because this takes some time to launch this notebook. See at the bottom left side, it says launching notebook. Okay, we need to wait for a few minutes. All right, so until it gets launched. Yeah, so what you can do here is our notebook is launched here. Okay. Yes. So this is how it looks like. Just click on this new and open Python 3 IPY kernel. So the new page will opens up here on the screen. All right. So this is how you can install the Jupyter notebook. Okay. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your question in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Okay. So would you like any modifications or additions to this video? Anything you want to know from me? So you can go ahead and comment down below. All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.